Thanks for stopping by the video today, everybody. What I want to show you is one of the newer features that just came out in Lumion 2024. There hasn't been anything like this in Lumion prior to this, so I think this is a really interesting new feature. So a lot of people may have even overlooked this. What this is called is landscape tiling. So I'm going to show you just a quick example of turning it on. Now, some materials you don't necessarily see it. It does depend on the material, but I am going to show you with an actual color grid what's happening. So if I click on this, and I go to this material here. Sorry, it's the new interface. So if I turn this on, you may not see a huge difference. You might see some things shifting. If I make this a little bit bigger, you can see some things shifting, but it may be difficult to see exactly what's happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to replace this with just a color grid that I pulled out of Blender. So if I turn this off, I'm also just going to turn down the displacement on this so it's easier to see. So right now, if this is our texture, you can see that there's a very clear pattern that's going down the lines here. Now, this is meant to be a repeating pattern. So obviously we're going to see a lot of similarities as we look down the street. This way is not as bad just because it's the way that the texture is going. But if we look like this, then you can see that very clearly the texture just repeats and that's it. But if you just go to UV coordinates and you hit enable landscape tiling, all of a sudden you can see that it basically will sample the texture in certain areas and then repeat it in others. So it's going to just break up that pattern. Now, obviously, if you have a pattern like this, it's not going to work. It's not going to keep the texture in the way you want it. But if you do have a large landscape or you do have something like this asphalt, it can really help break it up. It won't work for something like a brick. Like if I do this, then what will happen is you'll see all these weird lines that are going to start to appear in it. With bricks, it does have a repeating pattern and you do want it to have that. But there are certain things, as I mentioned, like asphalt, sometimes even sidewalks, that you don't want to see the tiling in it. So this is going to help break that up. And it's a very easy, quick fix. All you have to do is basically click on the material, activate it. The only downside is you can't do it with imported map scale, but I do understand that because it just wouldn't work. But this is pretty cool to be able to randomize everything. And I think that this is a really cool little feature that they added that makes things a lot easier to use without actually, I'm assuming have too much dev time devoted to it. It's really cool when they add things like that in. Just before we wrap up the video, one last thing I wanted to show you. So a better example of this when you actually see the whole grid is when you have these really thick lines like this, even in a seamless texture, it looks really ugly. Like you can clearly see the tiling in this. And while the landscape tiling won't make it perfect, it really does help a lot. It just makes it, so that a lot of those really hard edges just sort of get removed. If you look up here, you can still sort of see them. If you really look for them, you can see them, but it does make it a lot better. It is kind of interesting seeing this now too, that it's in a hexagon shape. I haven't seen it done like that. The examples that I've seen, at least, it's almost like it almost did it in like squares. So I'm not sure exactly why they chose hexagon. It doesn't matter at the end of the day. It has the same effect, but definitely interesting that they chose that. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, maybe this was an Easter egg that I was going to start making videos again, because as you can see, it's just a bunch of little Luminous Labs logos. So yeah. I really wanted people to actually see this feature. This is something that in Blender is called Uber mapping. POLIIGON basically made a version of it, but it is extremely helpful, and it has really come in clutch in a couple of jobs where we need to just randomize everything, but we don't necessarily want to have a bunch of different tiles and manually do it. So this is really cool to see this kind of innovation coming to Lumion. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button and also like the video. There's a couple more videos that I have planned for Lumion 2024, so don't miss those. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.